Hey everyone, just want to do this quick video on how to make a wasp trap or hornet trap. We had a terrible problem with hornets last year, and this spring we seem to have quite a lot of wasps, especially paper wasps, which give you a nasty little sting. So I am making some wasp traps. So recycle an old water or pop bottle. I tend to just remove the label, remove the cap, and I cut it across there, invert it. Alright, and then what you can do is at the top put a couple of little holes and get a tie on there, just clear of the bottom. So here's one I did a couple of weeks ago. So it's got a little wire carrier, I can clip that on anywhere, and it's been doing quite well catching flies. But the mixture I use to attract the wasps and hornets, I don't want to attract any honeybees, but the mixture I use is cheap beer and a spoonful of either blackcurrant or strawberry jam. I also put in a little bit of leftover white wine if I've not managed to finish a glass. Yes, apparently I sometimes do not finish a glass. And I pop that in there. You can use cheap beer, cheap lager. Don't use anything that's got saccharins in it, but a bit of fruit juice might do, and that will attract some flies, but also the hornets and wasps. And you're recycling a plastic bottle.